Let's understand the user management in AQURA. Go to company menu, user sub menu, edit users. You can add different users. Let's say I'll add Rajat as a user. You can give a password. I'm giving a password as and select the custom permissions. You can have three different sets which are ready, like administrator, read only, user who cannot change the data, or operator who can just enter the data and have certain permissions. So let's select the custom permission and let's set the permissions on our own. So say no access to counter sale for this particular user. He can change the current date. Okay, if he cannot change, then if you want to force, like if you are doing daily accounting, it's like you're using this on a counter sale and your accounting is up to date, then you can say current date is always today, the computer date. And voucher type, you can select a contra voucher. This particular user can add, you can edit, can delete, only for recent, recent 30 days. You can set that number of days like 15 days, 15 days, right? You select some other voucher, say journal entry. You can add, edit, delete, view. Next, payment, add, edit, delete, view. Maybe you can set again only for recent, this particular days, right? If you select this option, can change current date, then this option of giving only for recent 30 days, it has no sense, right? So we have disabled that. So you need to just select the production voucher. He can add, edit, delete, view. Then purchase voucher, he cannot add, cannot edit, cannot delete, just view. Then purchase order in, he can enter, add, edit, delete, view, maybe not deleting. Then quotation in, quotation out, add, edit, delete, view. With sales, you can add, edit, delete. So similarly you can set the permissions from each and every voucher type. Let us see what permissions are here, like general options, company modifications. If you click here, he can change the company's name, address and related data. So will not give this permission. Read only access, yes, you can enter into enter in a company in read only access and just browse through the data. Accounts creation, edition and deletion, say will just give a creating the account permission to this particular user. Item and item groups, you can create, edit, just modify the item name maybe. Then stock check, if you want to give, just set this permission. Price list, if you want this user to modify the price list, give this permission or just remove that permission. Packaging definition, production definition, just click on the permissions which you would like to give him. Like export data, so you can export the data and import data. Then cash counter administration, like selecting a cash counter and editing the cash counter setup. He can take a backup, restore the company, assign reminders to other users, select. He can view the browsers. He cannot view trial balance, financial results, ledgers, daybooks or ledgers, say we can view daybook now. So let's see, let's enter as a user Rajat in this company. So I will log out as an administrator and enter as a Rajat. So if I give a wrong password, AQURA will give me a warning, so that I need to give a correct password, which is A. Okay. So now I am in a company, and here we'll observe like who is the user. Like Rajat is a user who is entering data into this company. So if I see some of the menus are disabled here, right? So you cannot create other users. Now if you want to go to a particular say daybook, you do not have access to this feature, so you cannot view the daybook. Now we have set the permission as ledgers he can see. So if I select a customer company ledger, go in, so it is possible, yes, this user can go in and see the particular customer's ledger. Also we have given a permission to see maybe a sales register. Alt R, Alt W for year. Yes, this is a sales register he can go through. If he tries and go through the profit and loss, he do not have the access to this feature. If he tries and go to the balance sheet, he cannot view the balance sheet. So you have seen how we can manage the users. Now you can explore the additional permissions and practice making new users and setting permissions and try out. Alright, let us log out. And now, okay, this particular user can change his password. Suppose administrator has set a password or something, so he can change, say RAJAT123. Can say RAJAT123. So that user can change his own password. Let us log out from this user and log in as admin. See, first the reminders appear, pending tasks. Okay, so now I see, as I am admin user, I can create users, I can view usage. All these options are available, like balance sheet I can view. All these options are available. I can audit the vouchers, lock the vouchers, unlock the vouchers. Now here it's an interesting feature, like you can view a usage, like what is who was the user. Admin on a Monday, March 22nd. Admin on the computer, Santaji. And what he did, he added the vouchers, 3 numbers. Total entries are 10 entries. The duration 1 hour 33 minutes. Then admin 2 minutes. Admin 28 minutes. Admin 1 hour and 57 minutes. Then now we have logged in as a Rajat, and it was just for 1 minute 52 seconds. And what we did, we haven't added any vouchers, so it gives the information. So we have seen the company usage, web usage and users changing password. Let us stop here.